How to transfer from crypto.com to Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can transfer from crypto.com to Coinbase. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to transfer funds from crypto.com to your Coinbase account, it's relatively simple. And if you want to transfer crypto such as Bitcoin or anything as such, it's very simple. Just make sure to launch the crypto.com app first, and once you launch the crypto.com app, tap on the transfer button that you see over here. Once you tap on the transfer button, since we're transferring from crypto.com to Coinbase, so we will select the option called withdraw from the bottom right. Once we select withdraw, on the next specific page we will select the option that is crypto, as you can see over here, since we're just going to transfer crypto. Once we select the option called crypto, on the next page select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer over to Coinbase. So in this case, if I just select Bitcoin or anything such, just go ahead and select the cryptocurrency, and after that you have to actually paste the wallet address of your Coinbase Bitcoin wallet. So what you have to do is you have to open the Coinbase app, and if you're transferring Ethereum, you have to copy the wallet address of Ethereum. If you're transferring Bitcoin, you have to copy the wallet address of your Bitcoin wallet address from the Coinbase application and just paste them over here. And if this is a valid address, at the bottom you will see an information that is confirm address, so you can see your send address as well, only if this address is valid. So just tap on the confirm address button, and you have to confirm the link in your Coinbase email or anywhere as such in order to confirm the transaction, and most likely you will receive the funds or the crypto or Bitcoin sent to you directly to your Coinbase account. And that's all it takes to transfer from crypto.com to Coinbase. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.